all my MetaMillionaires? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the freaking dip. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm back to bringing the information. We did that video on Rick yesterday, talking about some metamaterials, and I forgot to go back and talk about Ihor, and we got some important information for tonight, 6 o'clock. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to get into that later in this video. So first, I got to give you the update on Ihor here. On his Twitter account on Friday the 3rd, he posted this. Mmat short interest is 130 million. 24.23 million shares are shorted, which is what we want to see. What I'm pointing out, if you saw the video I did earlier on BBig, BBig stock was like up here floating around the 12 million line, and it never really kept climbing, and it went down. Now I think after reviewing Friday's numbers, after they all settled, I think BBig's going to go back up some more, which is what we want to see. But here's what you really want to see. Look at this short interest shares line Ihor has here. Back on like July 25th, we had like 12 million shares. On August 1st, we had around 14 million shares. On August the 8th, we had about 17 million. On August the 15th, we had about 20 million. The 22nd was around 22. We was up around 20, maybe 27 million here in the middle of, towards end of August. And we ended here on Friday. Well, when he did his analysis, 24 million shares. But you could see the upward trend. It spiked up, some shorts covered. And I think we're going to see some trending back up here on the short shares. It slightly was starting to creep up. As you can see, the price of the stock here, they were shorting it. They were keeping it level, pretty much flatline, and then it's been shooting up ever since. And as we can see, the price of the stock is going up, but the shorted shares is also not really coming down as much as the price is going up. So the shorts are still hanging on their position. There's people out there still increasing their position. It says here 10.18% short interest to float, 9.24% S3 short interest to float, 2.32% fee if they want to short the stock. Shares shorted down 1 million shares, worth $6 million, negative 4.23% over the last week. So what he's saying there, from probably Monday through Friday, the shorted shares went down about 1 million. So they've returned shares back to, maybe covered shorts, returned borrowed shares. So he's saying they were down 1 million. And for shorts are up $62 million in 2021 mark-to-market profits, including a plus $4 million on today's 2.87 move. Now, I think when he was covering that, the stock was down, but we came back up. So I don't think this will be accurate as of the end of Friday, because we did end slightly positive on the 3rd. So I'm super excited about seeing this information, because I do believe we are around that 24, 25 million shorted shares. As Ihor said, we have enough bullets to make a difference if the stock would come and all the shorts would cover. 24 million shares getting covered would make the stock jump up in price. So we got a couple other things going on tonight at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, guys. It's going to be in the Reddit room, MMATR. Make sure you go check it out. Here it is. Yes. r/MMATR Reddit room. Make sure you go check it out. There it is, guys. Me, Smokey, and Sterling's going to be in there tonight. We're going to be chatting it up and answering you guys' questions. Now, if you saw the video I did yesterday, I've been cranking out these videos over the holiday weekend. Here we got Exciting Inspector. Tagged me in this post here. Thank you for that. And we were talking about the ACDC stock that someone on the MMAT Reddit room was talking about, and pretty great due diligence. Go watch that video on the ACDC stock, and we figured out the OTC NASDAQ listing as CRYBF, C-R-Y-B-F, and he also has a link to show the website to the car, and I wanted to show you this kind of website here. The article on it, EV Battery Tech announces launch of 2 Ionix Pro electric vehicles. As we know, these vehicles, guys, are going to have 5G technology. They're going to be like a 3-wheeler called the Trilogy. They do have a little video down here we do need to watch. So we got an ad showing right now. Maybe, no, here we go. Let's rewatch this video. Let me readjust my box. because the vehicle is pretty darn sweet, I'm not going to lie.
They say that the finest works of art require 3 key elements, that they must be alluring, and that they must maintain control, and, most importantly, they reign superior over others. Introducing the all-new 2023 Trilogy by Ionix Pro.
So there it is, guys. That vehicle kind of reminds me of those, what do I want to call them, the spiders you see going around, the Can-Am spiders. I see them all around my area. They're kind of like 2 wheels in the front, one wheel in the back. They're kind of like a trike style. And I think, as I saw down here in this article, people was worried about the price. But as you can see, they're going to have one version that's going to be basically $20,000 with 185 miles of range. Has a top speed of 85 mile an hour, which is nice. They're also going to have a real expensive version here. The Trilogy Vision X, which goes 0 to 60 in 1.8 seconds. 300 miles of range, has 5G connectivity. That's going to be $150,000. So yeah, that's not going to be affordable for most of us. But yes. Here it is. I'm looking at the OTC stock, guys, right there. Boom, ticker symbol CRYBF. I'm looking to get that on Tuesday because I think there is, as you can see, this is in Vancouver, Canada. We're talking about how George was on Stock Twits posting AC/DC songs, Thunderstruck. Go watch the previous videos the last couple of days. You got a lot of great information tying in. And I want to get this stock loaded up because it's 21 cents a share, guys. I think there's going to be, this could be something leading up to Meta announcing some, maybe they're buying out this company. Maybe they're going to be working with this company. We don't know exactly what they're going to do. EV Battery Tech, there is the website. Real quick, we'll take a quick browse at it in case you didn't catch my other video. But the website is beautiful. I'm just going to tell you that right now. There's so much in here when you look at their battery solutions. Look at this, man. I just love it. They have the EV section, energy storage section. They have metadata and strategic partnership. You go here to the technology side of it, about EV battery technology, longer life, more efficient battery use, more accurate reading, real-time monitoring, remote maintenance. They got artificial intelligence based, smart BMS using AI. This is super exciting, guys. Bringing blockchain to batteries. I got to come in here and do a separate video, I think, on like this website because, yeah, this is exciting stuff for Meta. I really think, I am hoping this is part of George's plan with this one with Meta, man. I'm super excited about it. I'll make sure to have this link down in the pinned comment. Also, guys, I want to throw you out a little snippet here promoting the Patreon group. I got some new members. Let me go give them a quick shout out. I want to thank you, Bjorn, and I want to thank you, Robert, for joining the Patreon, guys. We got up to 30 total Patreons. The group is growing. I want to post this here showing you a stock I talk about, and I have my DD in here. Ticker symbol is WORX. Now, this is something, like I said, I'm posting stocks in the Patreon group that I think have good potential of potential short squeeze. Doesn't mean it's going to short squeeze, but I'm posting the DD and screenshots and possibly doing videos in there as well. I did, someone requested a private video on a certain stock, so I posted that in there as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Join the Patreon. Get this private access stuff. Little as $1 a month to $5 a month. You want to do $10, $20, whatever you want to do, help the channel. And I got an update for you guys. Yes, last night I went in there and I bought some soundproofing. I bought a pop filter for my Yeti Blue Nano. So I'm super excited. I think I'll be getting that in about 1 to 2 weeks. Then I got to get the room set up. I bought the black and red foam. So I'm going to have the black and red foam behind me. I'll have to redo the picture back here and all that. So yeah. Exciting stuff for the channel. So I'm going to put, I think, the black and red checkerboard pattern on the back wall here, so that'll look cool on the screen. I'll put some in front of me on the walls and have it on the side so it would help with the bouncing. And I think it's going to make a difference also of having the pop filter on the microphone as well. So I want to say thank you for everyone that watches the channel, subscribes to the channel, smashes the thumbs up, shares my videos, people that join the Patreon as well. Everything you do helps me improve the channel and grow the channel, man. So I just want to say thank you for all your support. Love and appreciate all my Meta Millionaires, Meta Family, Metaholics out there. And like I said, guys, tonight, 6 p.m., let me go back to this because I know it's on here. We got a lot of great information on here, and yes, here it is. Q&A extravaganza. Please do not post in live chat until after opening comments, September 5th at 6 p.m. Eastern. So here we go. Let me get that out. And there you go, guys. It's going to be tonight. Make sure you're in that room. You can talk to me, Smokey, and Sterling. And we're going to be answering questions and talking to you guys. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up. Check out the links down below. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.